Hello, gamers. Okay, I'm going to be talking about really dumb words you cannot say on Animal Jam. Okay, so... I'll get a warning. I don't mean, like, numbers that you can't type in if you don't have free chat. See? I can't type in number or anything. Okay, so number one is you can't say hardcore. I can't type it in because I don't have free chat, but you also cannot say creepypasta. Well, you're not really offending anybody, are you? To say that. Let's see. You can still say other stuff like Illuminati, which like shouldn't be allowed, but can't say crap, fudge, dumb, stupid, or other stuff. But you can still like say annoying, Illuminati, and stuff. Let me think about the words you cannot say. You can't say frickin'. Okay, I can't remember if you can say freak from freaking, but I think you can say freaking with ing, but not in. I can't remember other things. I'm trying to remember just a second. Just a second. I'll be right back as soon as I remember. You can't say butter. You want to say I made a cake and I had the butter out and it fell on my cake. I can't talk about that anymore. You can say internet. Well, actually, the places ban you can say internet or something because they don't want you sharing websites. Sometimes it could be a hack, but the website you're on is a hack. That would make sense. Okay. Let's see, what else can we not say? You can't say in 400 or 700, like, I got this, say you're talking about something that, there's like a 400 section. I got this in the 400 section. Like, hell, you can't say that. You can't say in the 700 either. This stuff is really dumb. Animal Jam's going way too far. Nobody can make, you can barely ever make any AJMVs anymore. To make any movies, it's kind of hard to make videos if you're going to type in them. You can make videos that's just talking in it. No typing, because probably the word you'd want to use, Animal Jam would have probably banned already. You could probably make, other Animal Jam, or not other Animal Jam videos, I mean other videos on other websites. So, you know, I'm making a video.
Going crazy.
It's like really dumb words that you can't say. So that's it for now. Here's my username if you want to buddy me.
I know where you.
I don't worry. Okay, my username goes up here. Wait, no, go away. And that's it. Bye bye.